Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Health and Beauty Remedies.
Hi friends, it's Health and Beauty Remedies. Today's video is Korean Secret Remedies means rice and potato cream for fairness and tightened skin. This anti-aging cream is very beneficial for saggy skin, dull, damaged skin too.
Even this Korean-inspired homemade rice cream 100% anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, skin whitening and lightening, which cream you can store for 7 days. Let's get started. At first, take any types of rice, 1/4 cup.
Rice contains vitamins, which helps to reduce dark skin pigmentation, minerals which tighten the skin's open pores, and has amino acids, which are essential for beautiful and glass skin.
It also contains ferulic acid, a power antioxidant, and allantoiser, which contains anti-inflammatory properties. Soak rice only for 15 minutes. After, peel the potato, cut roughly. Potatoes are packed with good stuff. It contains vitamins B and C, brighten and tone. Also known to reduce wrinkles. Now you have to take a pan and add all ingredients and 1/2 cup of water in it along with the soap Christ. Now put it on flame and cook it until begins thick and mushy.
Pour all ingredients in the blender jar, blend until get smooth paste.
Now you have to strain this overcome rice with the help of strainer and take out all that ice paste out of it. Add coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil potential benefits for skin: reducing inflammation, keeping skin moistured, and helping heal wounds. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant, which can produce free radicals and may prevent premature aging.
Add lemon or rose essence 4/5 drops, it's optional ingredient.
Add vitamin E capsule 1 or 2 pieces. Vitamin E capsule works for nourishes the skin, acts as a moisturizer, anti-aging. After mix all ingredients, our homemade face pack is ready, and it looked like this. This is a Korean-inspired dry skin. You can easily prepare it at your home. This has given lighten your skin complexion for cell growth, stimulate backflow, and keep your skin smooth and bright. This cream also helps heal acne and use the redness of an outbreaks. Our recipe is ready. You can keep it closed for 2 weeks in the refrigerators. You can use it twice a day, 1 morning and 1 evening each day. We tub on our cleansed skin, we clean. If you feel uncomfortable after using it for a few hours, you can use it as a mask by washing it. But choice is yours. But it is absorbed very nicely on the face, does not cause any discomfort. It came very well, it was soft. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for now, bye. Take care, and be happy, keep happy.